Douthat Insurance has been in business for more than 20 years, serving clients from nearly a dozen counties in Northeast Tennessee and Southwest Virginia. And with yet another year of open enrollment upon us, a lot of people have a choice to make. Here with what they offer and what you should consider before making your decision is Margaret Douthat. And Margaret, great to have you on the show.
Oh, thank you for having us, and good morning. It's a great morning outside.
It is. It's beautiful.
Yeah. So this is open enrollment. Medicare kind of calls it your annual election period, so it's your once-a-year opportunity to make any changes or anything of that nature. The opportunity is starting October 15th, so that's tomorrow, and goes through December the 7th, or Pearl Harbor Day. So that's when people need to kind of be reviewing their benefits, reviewing the material they receive, and really analyzing whether they need to make any changes or not if they're already on Medicare.
And of course, you work with several different companies matching people to the right policy. And you said there's a lot of difference, and what works for one may not work for another.
Absolutely. So it's very individualized. Medicare is individual, it's not family. And every person's needs, whether it be medical, physician, medicine, any of those things play a role in picking and choosing the right policy. So we have a wide array of the companies, all the major companies in the area, and we do our very best to work with the client and try to match them with the best policy that they're comfortable with. And that's another thing. You have to have peace of mind about the way that your insurance is working for you, and that's what it's doing, working for you.
And you said sometimes it'll be a husband and wife, and they'll each have a different company.
Exactly. They can have different companies, they can have different types of coverage. You know, so there's Medicare supplements, and a lot of people will call that Medigap. Medigap and Medicare supplement mean the same thing. There's just Medicare with prescription, or you can have prescription with your supplement, or you can have Advantage plans. There's so many different ways to have coverage, and just the terminology can be so confusing for people. So again, that's why we try to sit down and just make sure that you understand terminology, which can be foreign, but also choosing, again, the best company and the best type of coverage.
And Margaret, I can only imagine, I mean, when hearing you talk about this, it can be overwhelming for someone. So to have somebody that can navigate, and of course, you know, you're looking at so many different, so you're not with one company trying to sell one product. You're able to really pinpoint what they might need.
Absolutely. I think the key thing here is to understand that David and I have no loyalty to any company, only to our clients. Our loyalty is truly to them. We want a client to be happy. We want them to be well covered, and we don't want people to walk away feeling confused or frustrated or worried about what the future is going to bring.
And of course, David, also you work with your husband, own this company for more than 20 years, and you said your clients are really like family to both of you.
Yes, our clients mean the world to us, and we're so grateful for the opportunity to really serve them, not just in picking a company, but we stay with you through the whole process. So, you know, we will help you if you have problems with claims or with confusion of mails that are received from the companies. There's just a lot of things that happen after the enrollment. We're right there, always with you.
And what is that process like right now as they're coming to you? They've got that window of opportunity.
So oftentimes we'll have people who are just not sure, you know, should they stay where they are? There's other individuals that are just turning 65 or just retiring, and this just happens to be that time of the year. But the key thing is to give us the opportunity to work with you to figure out which direction you need to go in. And the longest that someone's going to be so locked into a policy would be from January 1 to December 31. So we try to make sure people understand you've got flexibility. That's what this time of year is all about, is changing things up if it's not working for you. So we sit down with the clients. We do that in the office. We can come to the home. We can do that over the phone. COVID has introduced a whole new way of working with people, so we can do virtual meetings with our clients. We can do phone appointments, again, in face in the office or in the home, but we're going to be very COVID friendly, very COVID mindful about protecting you, the customer.
And you said one thing to be aware of is scams this time of year.
Oh my goodness, the scams have just become so sophisticated. Besides the mailings that people receive oftentimes that are confusing, we've got clients that are receiving phone calls impersonating that they are an insurance company and that if they don't do something they're going to lose their coverage, or that they're Medicare and if they don't do something they'll lose their Medicare. And this is simply not the case, simply not the case. You can actually have the policy you have now. If you take no action, it'll just roll right on over into the next year. But this has taken on a whole new avenue with people making those phone calls out.
Yeah, it's very sad, but definitely something to be aware of. We'll give everybody your information. A busy time of year,
Yes,
of course, for David and Margaret right
Yes.
now. But it is Douthat Insurance, and they have their office right there in Kingsport. But as they mentioned, they'll come to you as well. You can give them a call for more information. The preceding portion of Daytime Tri-Cities was sponsored by